Ethical hacking is hacking that is ethical and which gives authorized access to a computer system, an application, or data. Ethical hackers perform assessments on systems and networks so as to help organizations improve their security posture. The difference between ethical hacker versus malicious hacker. Malicious hackers gain access into a system or network to steal data, make money, tarnish reputations, or destroy businesses. As for ethical hackers, they look for vulnerabilities, report them to companies, and help them secure themselves from actual malicious hackers. How to qualify yourself to become an ethical hacker. One should acquire a wide range of computer skills, become a specialist or an expert as regards to everything pertaining to computers, internet, and cybersecurity. Certifications for ethical hacking includes EC Council, Certified Ethical Hacking Certification, Cisco CCNA Security, OSCP or Offensive Security Certified Professional Certification, CompTIA Security Plus. Ethical hacking. How they do it. An ethical hacker needs to think like a malicious hacker. He also needs to gather information and detect vulnerabilities. Once vulnerabilities are identified, the ethical hacker uses exploits against them to prove how a malicious hacker could do the same. They prepare and provide a detailed report, which would include steps to patch or mitigate the issues or vulnerabilities. The challenges that ethical hackers face. Malicious hackers have all the time they need, while ethical hackers are expected to function within a set time frame and with deadlines to deliver results. Additionally, ethical hackers work within the bounds of restricted and limited methods. The company might ask them to avoid things that crash servers. Thank you for watching. To read more, just visit our website at hackercombat.com.